up, guys? I can't get around to the store lately with what's going on, so I am making a copycat recipe to remember pressed juicery because I love it so much, and it tastes very similar to them. Very spot on and very good. Cayenne is very good for you. Every ingredient in here has apple, lemon, ginger, and cayenne. That's all you need. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have all these ingredients right here. To your juicer, add in 3 medium-sized apples that have been chopped up or cut up to any size of your liking and just juice them all up. Now cut up lemons, make sure they're cut and then juice 2 medium-sized lemons into your juicer. Now go ahead and add in a 1/3 cup of chopped fresh ginger and just juice that right up. After that's done juicing, go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne powder and then grab a fork and mix it right up in there. Just so you guys know, cayenne is a fat burner, so this is very good for boosting your metabolism. Now go ahead and pour it into a bottle that has a lid. Now secure your lid on tightly and go ahead and shake it really hard so all the cayenne gets mixed in the juice and all the juices blend together. I took a taste of this already. It tastes just like pressed juicery. I love it. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with this. Enjoy. If you make this recipe, tag MeetThePresleys on Instagram or Facebook fan page. Show me your pictures and I'll give you a shout out into a vlog. And I'm so excited. I hope you enjoy this. Have a good day. Bye.